Students, in DSP we are discussing about the digital filter realization, and we have already discussed about the IIR filters realization in direct form 1 as this is a linear system and the order of these parts can be interchanged. So due to this property, the second direct form realization, that is direct form 2, is possible, where the poles of the hz, the transfer function, are realized first and then zeros are realized. So here the transfer function is broken into two parts, or the product of the transfer function h1z and h1z and h2z, where h1z has only poles and h2z contains only the zeros. So hz is equal to h1z into h2z, and h2z is equal to k is equal to 0 to m sigma bk z to the power minus k. So this can be decomposed for direct form 2 realization. And the decomposition for direct form 2. So Wn is the intermediate function sequence. Wn is the intermediate sequence function, and it is given by sigma k is equal to 1 to n a k wn minus k plus xn, and yn is equal to sigma k is equal to 0 to n b k wn minus k. So if we take its z transform, then wz and yz is obtained. Wz is xz upon 1 minus sigma k is equal to m a k z to the power minus k, and yz is equal to wz to sigma k is equal to 0 to m b k z to the power minus k. So the direct form realization, it requires only larger of m or n storage elements, and the direct form 2 uses actually the minimum number of storage element, and hence it is said to be a canonic structure. But whenever the addition is performed sequentially, the direct form 2, it requires two adders insist of one adder required for the direct form 1. And this direct form realization, we can see the structure. See, this is the structure of direct form 2 realization network with zeros and poles. So here in this diagram, the right part after wn, this is wn, and right part after wn is for zeros, and the left part between wn and xn is poles. So the delay function and the multiplier and the adders role, you already know it, and hence it can be realized like this. Now its combined form, we can have the combined form of the, this is the combined form of the IIR filter for direct form 2 combined form. And we have two drawbacks of this direct form and direct form 2. They lack the hardware flexibility, and second lacuna is due to infinite precision arithmetic. The sensitivity of the coefficients to the quantization affects the increase with the order of the filter. So as the order of the filter increases, it becomes more and more worst. So the sensitivity may change the coefficient values, and hence the frequency response can cause the filter to become unstable. And for this purpose, we can use the cascade and parallel realizations that we will see later on. So let us solve some numericals for direct form 1 and direct form 2 realization of IIR filters. So the question is, suppose determine the direct form 1 and direct form 2 realization for third order IIR transfer function. The transfer function is given as hz is equal to 0.28 z square plus 0.319 z plus 0.04 upon 0.5 z cube plus 0.3 z square plus 0.17 z plus z minus 0.2. So this is the question, and we have to multiply the transfer function numerator and denominator by 2 to the power z raised to minus 3. So we will obtain the standard form of the transfer function. So इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद the standard form of transfer function is now 0.56 z inverse plus 0.638 z to the power minus 2 plus 0.08 z to the power minus 3 upon 1 plus 0.6 z inverse plus 0.34 z to the power minus 2 minus 0.4 z to the power minus 3. So direct form 1 and 2 realization of the transfer function, we can see the diagram. This is the transfer function. Yes, here you can see the coefficients of the denominator. Like, see, this part is the coefficients of denominator, and this is the all the zeros. So these are all the poles and these are the zeros, and the combined form of the two is this. So we can see poles का coefficients 0.56, then 0.638, then 0.08, and here minus 0.6. डिनोमिनेटर के नेगेटिव कोएफिशिएंट्स होंगे minus 0.34, this is 0.4. This is the direct form 1, and here this is direct form 2 में ये poles and these are the zeros. 0.6, then 0.34, then 0.4, and here are the values. 0.56, then 0.638, and then 0.08. These have been the multiplication factor, and delays has been shown here. So in this way we had to realize direct form 1 and form 2. Next question is डिटरमाइन द डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 1 and 2 फॉर द सेकेंड ऑर्डर फिल्टर. अभी हमने थर्ड ऑर्डर फिल्टर के लिए फाइंड आउट किया था. सेकेंड ऑर्डर फिल्टर का इक्वेशन है गिवन इक्वेशन yn इज इक्वल टू 2b cos ओमेगा 0 yn माइनस 1 माइनस बी स्क्वायर yn माइनस 2 प्लस xn माइनस b cos ओमेगा 0 x ऑफ n माइनस 1. नाउ वी विल टेक इट्स z ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, एंड z ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के बाद हमने इसका ट्रांसफ़र फंक्शन निकाला, दैट इज़ 1 माइनस बी कॉस ओमेगा 0 जेड इनवर्स अपॉन 1 माइनस 2b कॉस ओमेगा 0 जेड इनवर्स प्लस बी स्क्वायर जेड टू द पावर माइनस 2. सो डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 1, इसको हम डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 1 में h1z एंड h2z में हम ब्रेक करते हैं. तो पहले ज़ीरोज़, h1z इज़ फॉर ज़ीरोज़ एंड h2z रिप्रेजेंट्स पोल्स, एंड इन डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 2 विल बी h2z पहले आ जाएगा, h1z विल बी द सेकेंड, h1z विल फॉलो h2z इन केस ऑफ डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 2. नाउ फॉर द इंटरमीडिएट सीक्वेंस wn के लिए h1z इज इक्वल टू 1, दिस इज h1z 1 माइनस बी कॉस ओमेगा 0 न्यूमरेटर cos omega 0 z inverse, this is wz upon xz, and therefore xz भी हम यहाँ से निकाल लेंगे. xz is equal to 1 minus b cos omega 0 z inverse, and therefore wn will become xn minus b cos omega 0 x of n minus 1, and h2z की वैल्यू 1 minus 2b cos omega 0 cos omega 0 z inverse plus b square z to the power minus 2 inverse, that is yz upon wz. So yz will become wz upon 1 minus 2b cos omega 0 z inverse plus b square z to the power minus 2, and yz can be determined, and therefore the z transformation of this function is y inverse z transform of this function. yn का yz का inverse z transform है. yn is equal to 2 minus 2b cos omega 0 y of n minus 1 plus b square yn minus 2 is equal to wm. This is the inverse transfer function.